How to download an app on Android. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have a Google account logged in on your device. In order to do that, go to Settings, scroll to the bottom of the page where you can find the option Google, click on it. After that, click on that arrow icon. Now if you have several Gmail accounts saved on your device, you can simply choose one or just click on Add another account. Now simply fill in the blanks with your email or phone and then your password and click on Next. But if you don't have a Gmail account, click on Create Account. After that, click on For My Personal Use. After you do so, fill in the necessary details and your account will be created. After that, go to the home page and click on Play Store. To check if your Google account is signed in or not, you can look at the top right corner where you can see an icon of your Google account picture. Now simply choose the app that you want to download on your device. For instance, here I am choosing the app called Zoom. After you decide the app, go to the search bar and type out the app's name and click on the app you want to download. Once you do that, simply click on Install and your app will be downloaded on your device. Now let the app download and you can simply click on Open and the app will be opened and installed on your device. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.